In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an envelope in Docusign. Sending documents for electronic signature is a crucial task for many, whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or any other type of document that requires your signature or someone else's. Docusign is a leading e-signature solution that provides a simple, secure, and reliable way to send documents electronically. Let's dive in. First, begin by navigating to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your internet browser and typing in the URL, then logging into your Docusign account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one first. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you're ready to start. Now, we'll move on to the Agreements section. From the dashboard, look towards the top of the page, where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Agreements to view all of your documents that have been saved as envelopes. If you don't see anything here, it may be time to create new documents to send. For this demonstration, let's assume you have a draft ready to go. Next, you will need to select the envelope you wish to send. Find the document in your list of agreements. Take a moment to hover over the envelope name to make sure it's the right one. Once you're sure, click on it to open the document. If you're like me and have several saved, don't worry. They'll all be neatly organized here for you to review at your leisure. After you've opened the document, your next step is to click on Continue. This button should be visible on your screen, typically towards the bottom. Clicking Continue will bring you to the document preparation screen where you can make any last-minute tweaks. Once you're on the editorial page, you might see options to add or modify fields where signatures and initials are needed. This is your opportunity to ensure everything looks perfect for your recipient. Check these fields carefully and make any necessary adjustments to where they're placed. Now that everything is set, your final action is to send the document. Look to the bottom right corner of the editorial page. You should see the Send button. By clicking this button, you're officially sending your document out for signature. The recipient will receive an email notifying them that a document is awaiting their signature. And that's it! You've successfully sent an envelope using Docusign. This efficient process makes it straightforward to manage document signing in a secure, accessible manner. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Docusign, the more comfortable and confident you'll become with sending out envelopes. Thanks for following along and happy signing.